Unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is black titanium. You can see we've got the black titanium writing and logoing all around the side. And then we have that black titanium on here, and it kind of is like 3D-ish. You can feel it right there, which is kind of interesting. That's the box, no plastic wrapper, anything. This is exactly brand new from the factory. Let's go ahead and pull these tabs right here. This is a 512 gigabyte model, and we'll pull this tab right here as well. There we go, make sure that's fully open. And let's go ahead and have our wow moment. Wow, there we go. We've got it in the black titanium. Check that out. Wow, I love the black. It looks so good. It's almost like a grayish color, so it's not like a pure like piano black or anything like that. It is a matte finish. They call it black titanium, but it looks like a dark gray. But I like it. I think it looks fantastic. Really, really nice looking. Let's go ahead and peel this piece off right here. There we go. There's our nice brand new big 6.9-inch screen. You can kind of see me reflecting. I'm recording this from an iPhone 15 Pro Max, if you're wondering as well. So that's what it looks like. And there is our newest button right there, the camera button on the side right there. So it feels nice, a little bit indented right there. Really, really cool. On this side, we've got our action button. We've got the volume up and down. SIM card tray right there. If you are in the United States of America, you won't get that SIM card tray because everyone uses eSIM, and I will be using eSIM as well, so we won't even be using that. On the bottom, USB-C for charging and for data transfer, which we did see on last year's iPhones as well. We've got our microphone and speaker right there. This side, you can see again, there's that camera button. We do have this little piece right here, which is an antenna, just so you know. And then on there, we have our nice power switch, on-off switch, another antenna right there. And you can see that camera sticking out, the 3 cameras right there. So if you're putting this flat on the ground, you got to make sure you don't scratch those cameras. So put a case on your phone for sure, 100% put a case right away. Also a glass screen protector you want to put on there. But look at that gorgeous looking iPhone 16 Pro Max. Absolutely love it. Cannot wait to start this one up and use it as my main phone. Let's have a look at what else is in the box right here. We'll put that little plastic there and we'll grab this. And we'll undo that piece right there. And there is your USB-C to USB-C charging cable. It's a 3-foot charging cable. And we do have the SIM card ejection tool right there. If you're using a SIM card, again, I won't be using that. And then we do have your instruction booklets, which nobody ever reads ever, but something that's missing in here, stickers. We don't have the Apple stickers anymore on any of the new iPhones. That's something they've gotten rid of. They're slowly getting rid of things. I wonder when, maybe next year we won't have a USB-C cable. So possibly, we'll have to see. I'm sure they'll get rid of that eventually. But that is your unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max in black titanium. Let me know what you guys think of this amazing new phone.